Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a sportsperson/athlete that you admire. Who is the person? What he is like in real life. What is his/her achievement? Why do you admire him? Being cricket lover, I am interested in watching cricket match and the cricketers the most. Although a lot of players have made records with their best performance, yet one player that I greatly respect is Virat Kohli, a former captain of the Indian cricket team and one of the most renowned cricket players in the world. He is renowned for his extraordinary talent, unwavering work ethic, and strong resolve. Unlike many other athletes, Virat is disciplined and intensely focused on his performance and fitness in real life. He seems modest, grounded, and incredibly passionate about cricket despite his notoriety. Millions of people find inspiration in him because he frequently highlights the value of perseverance, hard effort, and a healthy lifestyle. Virat Kohli has an impressive list of accomplishments. He is among the fastest players to reach 8,000, 9,000, and 10,000 runs in one-day internationals, ODIs, among other records in international cricket. He has guided the Indian squad to numerous noteworthy triumphs, such as a historic victory in the Test series in Australia. He is renowned as a batsman for his technique, consistency, and capacity to perform well under duress. In addition, Virat has won numerous honours for his services to Indian cricket, including the Padma Shri and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. Beyond his accomplishments on the field, Virat Kohli's development off it is what I love most about him. He was viewed as an aggressive player early in his career, but as time went on, he learned to control his aggression and developed into a capable leader. His commitment to fitness is especially admirable. He maintains a rigorous diet and exercise routine that has raised the bar for cricket players everywhere. Virat also demonstrates his humanitarian side by actively supporting causes like child welfare through his foundation. Virat Kohli, in my opinion, is a symbol of tenacity, enthusiasm, and the capacity to overcome obstacles. He has demonstrated that big things are achievable with perseverance and hard work. Seeing him play inspires me to put my all into everything I do, and his story serves as a reminder that perseverance and confidence are essential for success. I think highly of him and see him as a role model because of this.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.